When we talk about sin, I really want to flip the script on this because I feel like the moment you hear the word sin, you're like, ugh, like it's like this, we don't want to talk about it. I just put my fingers in my ears. I don't want to hear of it. But there's actually good news in this. Because the moment you call something sin, you can actually start moving towards freedom. You can actually start to get healing if you call something for what it actually is. We so push it away that you miss the blessing in it. Call it what it is and let God do something in your life. Call it what it is and let the Spirit get to work. A simple definition for sin is this: it's less than God's best for you. It's less than God's best for you. Who in the world would not want God's best for them? God wants His best for you. And that's why He shows us what sin is. It's not to condemn you. It's to show, hey, I have more for you.